friend of me is REALME C25s, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Magic Fluids. Now you need to install this free app from this developer and open it. Then click on those three lines at the bottom right corner, select Settings and tap on I accept. Over here you can adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to, and when you're ready, choose Home choose the top right corner over here. Then click on the bottom right corner again and tap on Set as Live Wallpaper. Then click on Apply and pick one of those options. I want to set up my wallpaper on home screen only, so I have to click on it and go back. As you can see, my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!